Kelsey and I are here at the Tat 1 waterfalls. This is a surrounding area. We've walked down these steps, probably 100 meters or so. Probably not 100 meters, but this is what it looks like surrounding area. Massive trees. Still a long way to go. It's like the halfway point, but we can't go down there. Well, we can, but won't be able to record anything. That's the bottom of it, and here it is. Big slide.
Imagine going on a boat full of that. Like energy.
I just want you to take the wrong turn, Kels. You know what would be fun if it would work? Would be on that,
How deep is it though?
I don't think it's very deep. I can see a rock.
Yeah.
So, I don't know how deep it is here, though.
Solid level.
Pretty neat.